Hi, in this video, I will show you how you can generate an AI image using Canva. So Canva has released a feature called Magic Media, and Magic Media is this tool that allows you to create AI images by just describing it using text. And there are so many styles to try. You could try watercolor, anime, photo, and there are so many other styles you could draw using this tool. And this tool is first party, meaning that this is something that is available directly in Canva, so you don't have to install any third-party app for it. And in order to get that, you have to open a design and then go to the apps menu and search for Magic Media. Hit enter, and there's only one app called Magic Media. This one, this is from Canva. And when you open it, you will see this setting. You could start describing the text that you want to create. And then there's also an option for graphic. Graphic is for illustration usually. And there's also a new feature called video. This is where you can create a short video using description. But this tutorial will focus only on images and graphic. They're very similar basically. And let's say I don't want to draw, I don't want to type anything here, so I just want to ask for inspiration. Okay, this is the inspiration or the description of the picture that Canva has provided. And then here you can select the style of the image. You can click see all and see all the available styles that you can get. Let's say I want to try minimalist, and for the aspect ratio you could choose either square, landscape, and portrait. It doesn't matter whether your canvas is square or landscape. You could choose anything different. It's not very important. But since I'm using something square in here, so I guess it's much more appropriate to use square as well. After you're done with the setting, click generate image. Now this process can take several seconds, but usually it's less than a minute. But yeah, this is something that you have to wait for, and Canva will generate 4 images, and then later you can pick one among many that you could insert to your design. So it has generated some, which is pretty good. There's this illustration, there's this illustration as well, but the other 2 are realistic photos. So yeah, that's probably the challenge for us to use this style option, because sometimes they are not giving you the right style for it. But that's okay, at least we got 4 different options, and you can generate again. And Canva provides 500 credits every single month that will reset at the beginning of the month. If you want to insert the image, you can click on any of them, and that image would be inserted into your design. So this is the one that I got. I'm going to remove the background, and yeah, this is a picture of panda in the bamboo forest. I think it looks pretty good. So yeah, that's basically how you can use the first-party tool to generate an AI image in Canva. I hope you find this video helpful.